The learnings of Nishmas Etta Ahuva Yaakov Maseches Bava Metzia Perek Tes Mishna Beis Hamakabel Soda Mechaverei. If someone is makabel a field from his friend, and this Mishnah also, the Gemara explained, could be whether it was bechakiris, whether it was the payment was based on a set amount, oi barisis. It could also be if it was based on a percentage that the artist gets a third or a quarter or half, whatever the minhag is. So in each of these cases, V'hi beis hashlach and oy beis ha'ila, and it happens to be that the field that he's taking, he's being mekabel, that he's working on, is a field that gets irrigated by a water source, or it's a beis ha'ila, and then yavesh hama'ayim and nixas ha'ila. So the whole point of the field was its water source, and its water source dries up, the well dries up, or the spring dries up, or v'nixas ha'ila, or the tree gets cut. The whole purpose of it was the beis ha'ila, that there was trees that's why the artist wanted it, because he gets fruits from the tree, and now the tree dries up. Still, whatever was made up, the price was made up, and there's no difference. So whatever percentage you were getting, whatever fixed fee you were getting, it stays the same. However, so the two pshatim in the Gemara, either because it was originally the chayker was telling the machker this. So since it's not normal that it starts from that way, if he's initiating, he wanted bedafka beis hashlach and he wanted bedafka beis ha'ilon. So therefore, if it's yavesh hama'ayin or nixas ha'ilon, if it dries up or the ilon's not there, so then menakalei mechikuroi, so the payment would be less. Or it's from the fact that he said zeh, so he's already, the Gemara explains, Ravinas, this is the second teretz in the Gemara, he's already standing in the beis hashlachin, and still he says beis zeh. So why is he saying beis hashlachin? So must be, he means, but beis hashlachin, kedekai mahasha, dafka, the beis hashlachin, with its water source, and if the water source dries out, then you will not have to pay that amount, and therefore you'll be menakalei min chikurai, the owner of the field would get less money. The Mishnah Gimel, Hamakabel Soda Mechavera Vahivir. So from now on, Mishnah Gimel and onward is either talking about a chayker or a aris, and we'll say each one. So Mishnah Gimel, Rashi explains that it's dafka by an aris, where you get a percentage. And the halacha is over here that if he was makabel a field vahivira and he leaves the field empty, he doesn't work it, so he gets ruined. So now the owner of the field is going to get less because it produced less, and he was getting based on a percentage. However, if it was chakiris, if it was a set fee, then you have to pay whatever the set fee is. So then the Mishnah wouldn't make sense. So it's dafka by an aris where you're getting percentage, and now that it's less percentage, you would have to evaluate how much it would have made, and you would pay him that amount. And the reason is because most people write in the shtar that if I don't work the field, I'm going to pay you b'meitav haaretz. And Taisa speaks out, even if you don't write this, it's ki'ilu nichtav, and this the Gemara calls is darish lashon hedjit, since people normally write this in the shtar, so the chachamim went basar that tanai.